Hello everyone, this is Yusuf Vlogs. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to set your video for monetization. Okay, and this video will help you if you are get monetized and then you don't know how to set your video for monetization, because since that I was monetized, I check on my videos that are not all have the sign for dollars, so it's still off the monetization section. So for today, I'm gonna show you how you put your video for monetization. Okay, first thing we do is we go to our Google Chrome and we will open our what they call that, email. So guys, I hope it helps this video. Okay, I'm so sorry for my audio because I don't have any gadget to use for vlogging. I don't have any mic, so this is a raw voice of mine. And of course guys, what they call that, I did not have a screen recorder. I have, but I don't know how to use it. So what I did was I captured on video. I put in my Huawei selfie stick stand, and then I captured this video. Guys, today I would like to thank those who are supported my videos always, those who are very supportive. Shout out to those who are always watching and viewing my videos, like, comments, and share on social medias. So guys, I hope every one of us is what they call that, because I don't know what to say, but I'm trying my best to make this tutorial in English, so that because I have subscribers in other part of the world, so those who are fluent and speak grammarly in English, I'm so sorry. So I'm trying my best, so it depends on you how you please comment on down these videos if I'm so sorry for that. I don't know. So guys, we're gonna I'm gonna open my email, YouTube first. Okay, I'm gonna open my YouTube. So this YouTube is no sign out, as you can see here, no sign out. So this guy shout out to here. Look, so this account has not yet signed in, so it's still signed out. As you can see here, sign out. So now we're going to sign out my YouTube channel. Okay, we're gonna sign in. And as you can see, I have here another account, so I'm gonna delete this one, remove, and then I'm gonna open mine. And guys, those who are what they call that have problem with the revenue, because I have suffered some the past 2 days ago that my revenue was decreasing. I don't know what happened, but let me I have an observation about that. So I put on my email, as you can see my email. I will highlight my email, so I will put my, and then next. Okay, so they are asking the, what they call that, why is it like this? I don't have the photo. I should have the photo. I think I'm wrong with my email. Yes, this is my email. So I'm gonna put my password. Now it's loading now. Okay guys, so now my email is open now, as you can see here. See my email here. This is my icon and this is my dashboard. Okay, now our tutorial today is I'm gonna show you how you put your ads for monetizations, because we should put manually for the best more ads in your videos. You have a 10 minutes video so that you can break the ads. You can put some like after 3 minutes or 5 minutes, so it depends on you. But the YouTube have put manually. No, it's automatically they put your ads on the first. So every time someone will watch your video, there is an ad, because they have like end and I start the video at and after the video. So that's the next our tutorial to be tackled. So as of now, I'm gonna show you how you put your videos for monetization. And first, we're gonna go to our icon here in the upper right. Click, and then as you can see, you have your channel, paid membership if you have subscriptions for YouTube, and we have here the YouTube studios, which you can and sign out and so on and so forth. And then here we're gonna click the YouTube studio. And now, so there is no anything about this one. So guys, as you can see, I have the channel analytics. I have the current subscribers for 1,834, and I have so many here. Look, as you can see here. So this is my latest video that I uploaded. This is a mukbang for biryani. So I got 24 views as of now, after I posted this one for 7 hours. So guys, this is my icon here, as you can see, and then I hope, yes, it's clear. Okay, I gonna browse down. So I have here many like audio library for free music, monetization. You can check your monetization. You have your subtitles. If you put subtitles, you have your comments, analytics, playlist, and videos. This is the section for dashboard, and we have a creator studio for this one. If you put some of like the new what they call that, the child privacy, you can put for everything. Here is the classic. So we have send feedbacks if you have any problem with your channels, and if there's something like you want to send to the what they call that, YouTube. Okay guys, now we're gonna go to our dashboard. So dashboard, here we have our videos here. As you can see, the videos here. Okay, we're gonna click this one, and after, look, I have here all my videos. I have here, if I click on, I have what they call that, and this is the first set, so 30. Now this is, as you can see here, this is $sign. All my videos are turned on for monetization. So this is the sign for monetization. As you can see, this is the video is being monetized. Look, I'm gonna highlight in this one. Look, this video is being monetized. So therefore, all my videos are monetized. So here there are more actions. Edit views. Here I have views. Okay, now we go to the what they call that, videos that I will disable my monetization, and after that I'm gonna set how you put for monetization. Okay, I'm gonna choose for the other videos. I will choose my previous video. As you can see here, this is the first set for 30. So, and this is another set again. So now because there is a video for I have first, I show you the first video which is less than 10 what they call that, less than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna click this one, the Huawei, the Huawei selfie stick. Okay, I'm gonna click this one. No, I'm gonna put okay. Now here there's a section for monetization. Okay, on and off. After that, I'm gonna off this one first. Okay, that's it. That's the only you can do. But this is when you are monetized and you see this one, the dollar sign is still off. You have to click this arrow down, and then there are the two choices, the on and off. You have to on, but this is your uploaded videos. But if you upload a new video, so I don't have any new video now to upload, but I'm gonna show you how you upload to put your ads for monetization section. If you are using your phone, it's better because it's easier and it is what you call that, you cannot have any problem open your account on laptop. So here I'm gonna click this one, and then I'm gonna go for edit and then monetization. Okay, this monetization sections here, there is also on and off, so you just only on. So it's better, it's there are two ways here, on and off. So you can put your, I think I get wrong, wait, sorry guys, this is my first tutorial. So okay, finish. So if you are going to upload your video, it's still processing here, but okay, now it's turning to monetization. For those who don't know how to put monetization, so you just click this arrow and you put on, and then you save. Okay, and then that's it. Your videos are being monetized and it earn money for ads. But let me open this one. I don't know how I cannot open this one, why it is not open. Sorry guys, so I don't know where I can open this one. Maybe it will play. Okay, here I open my videos. So I have as you can see, I have the description here, and after that we're going to for monetization. There are some other options here up, as you can see, more options. Here we have what they call that, other options, looking for monetization, because guys, in the phone it's easy because there is a base monetization there. So this is the only details that appeared on the desktop. Okay, that's it here. So here also there is a what they call that, for not for kids and for kids. So there are many options here. There is no monetization section here, only for thumbnail and others. So it's easy for the phone, but here those who have PC or laptop or desktop, you can easily open here. Okay, I'm gonna back now. So that's the only guys I'm gonna show you. So it's easy to set your upload videos for monetization, since that you are monetized and you don't know if it is not yet have the dollar sign like this. So all my videos have a dollar sign. Guys, thank you so much. I hope that this video it helps you, and please, those who are watching my videos, please comment, send a message to my, or just comment down below, and I will respect your comments and your suggestions. So once again, this is Yusuf Vlogs. Thank you very much, and for our next video, I'm gonna show you my how to put a thumbnail. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.